Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low messy chignon hairstyle. To start, I'm going to section off the hair at the crown of the head and just gather this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Don't do this too tight. Then we're going to use our finger to draw a line, creating a hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then pull the tail ends all the way through that hole to create a twist. Now we're going to take all the hair from the right hand side about mid-ear height upwards, so the top part of the hair on the right hand side, pull this towards the back and again secure into a loose ponytail. Use your finger to create a hole and pop a couple of fingers through that hole, then pass the tail end up to your fingers and pull it through to create your twist. Then just repeat this on the left hand side, so take all of the hair from mid-ear upwards, pull that ponytail towards the back of the head, secure it with an elastic band and create your hole above the elastic band. Then pop a couple of fingers through, pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Now we're going to apply some texture spray all over those twists and the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull at the hair from the crown and also at the sides of those twists to loosen everything up a little bit. And we're going to do the same steps on each side. So loosen your hair up at the twists and then pinch and pull a bit further up to loosen up the sides. Next, we're going to gather all three ponytails into the middle of the head at the back. So just grab them and then secure them all together with another elastic band. Then we're going to divide all the hair that's hanging down in half, and we're going to secure each half of that hair into another ponytail. So one on the left and one on the right. Now I've cut up a hair donut and just taken a little bit of the padding, and I'm just going to use a touch of this just to give the bun a little bit of volume. Next we're just going to add a clear elastic band a couple of inches from the bottom of that left hand ponytail. Then make a hole, and again we're going to pop our fingers through and grab the ends and pull it through to create a twist, and you want to do this twice. Then just repeat on the right hand ponytail. So secure it with an elastic band a couple of inches from the end, create your hole from the top elastic to the bottom, pop your fingers through and pull the ends through, and then repeat this one more time. Then we're going to take that little bun padding and I'm just going to place that in between those two ponytails and secure it all around the outside with a few bobby pins. And taking that twist on the left hand side, I'm going to bring it over to the right hand side and apply more texture spray. Then use your fingers to really pinch and pull these twists apart for more volume. And then we're just going to secure it on the right hand side of that padding with a bobby pin or two. Then slip some bobby pins through the centre of the twist to keep them secure on that padding. And we're going to repeat the same on the opposite side. So take the twist from the right hand side over to the left, apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. Then secure to that padding with a few bobby pins and anchor it down on the left hand side. Then just add a couple of pins through the centre of the twist to keep them secure. Now with those tail ends, I'm just going to tuck them up and pin them to the bottom of that padding. So this one's a bit longer, so I wrapped it around a bobby pin and just pushed it up underneath that bun. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.